How vital is securing your crypto wallet to you? A question that may seem straightforward, but in reality carries a weight much heavier than the gold reserves of Fort Knox. In this digital age, cryptocurrencies are no longer an obscure concept discussed in hushed tones by tech enthusiasts. They've become a mainstream phenomenon, attracting the attention of everyone from financial tycoons to your next-door neighbor. The allure of cryptocurrencies lies in their decentralized nature and potential for high returns. But with great potential comes great responsibility. And in the realm of cryptocurrencies, that responsibility translates into securing your crypto wallet. Think of your crypto wallet as your personal gold vault. It's a digital space where your valuable cryptocurrencies reside. But unlike a physical vault, this one is susceptible to a different kind of theft: hacking. In the past few years, we have seen a surge in cybercrimes targeting crypto wallets. The anonymity that makes cryptocurrencies attractive also makes them a prime target for digital thieves. Securing your crypto wallet isn't just about protecting your financial assets, it's about safeguarding your digital identity. A compromised wallet can lead to a domino effect, putting not just your cryptocurrencies, but also your personal information at risk. But the good news is, the digital nature of cryptocurrencies also provides us with the tools to protect them. Measures like encryption, two-factor authentication, secure networks, and hardware wallets can act as robust firewalls, shielding your crypto wallet from hacking attempts. And it's not just about defense. Being proactive in monitoring your wallet, being wary of phishing attempts, and continually educating yourself about the latest security measures are equally crucial. Remember, the value of your cryptocurrencies is directly proportional to the strength of your wallet's security. A weak security system is like leaving your vault's door wide open with a neon sign saying, "Welcome, thieves." So, as you can see, securing your crypto wallet is not just important, it's essential. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into 10 practical tips to fortify the security of your crypto wallet in the upcoming scenes. Our first tip is to consider using a hardware wallet. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a hardware wallet? Well, it's a physical device, kind of like a USB stick, that stores your cryptocurrency offline. It's an ingenious way to keep your digital assets safe, secure, and away from the prying eyes of hackers. You see, when your cryptocurrency is stored on a hardware wallet, it's completely isolated from the internet. This means it's immune to common threats like viruses, malware, and phishing attacks. It's like having a personal vault for your digital wealth. And the best part? You can carry it around in your pocket or hide it somewhere safe. It's your own portable bank, providing an extra layer of security. Nothing beats the peace of mind knowing that your crypto is secure. So, if you're serious about protecting your digital assets, a hardware wallet is definitely something worth considering. Remember, a hardware wallet is like a safe for your digital fortune. The second tip is to consistently keep your software up to date. This might seem like an obvious point, but you'd be surprised by how many people overlook this crucial aspect of cybersecurity. Wallet software isn't static. It's being continually improved and fortified. Developers are always on the hunt to identify and patch vulnerabilities. Each software update is like a new coat of armor, reinforcing your wallet's defenses against potential threats. Updates often contain security enhancements that fix bugs and close gaps where hackers could potentially gain access. Think of it like this. If your wallet software is a castle, then each update adds another layer to the moat, raises the drawbridge a little higher, and strengthens the battlements. And who wouldn't want a stronger castle for their treasures? By not updating, you're essentially leaving the castle gate wide open. That's why it's so important to keep your software updated. By keeping your software updated, you're one step ahead in securing your crypto wallet. Tip number 3, always use strong and unique passwords. Now, you might wonder, why the emphasis on strong and unique? Well, here's the thing. In the digital world, a password is like a key to your home. You wouldn't want it to be easily duplicated or guessed, right? Same with your crypto wallet. Your password needs to be complex enough to deter any potential cyber thieves. Think of a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And remember, password 123. It doesn't count as a strong password. Now, managing these complex passwords can be a challenge. That's where password managers come to the rescue. These handy tools not only store your password securely, but also help generate strong, unique ones for you. So go ahead. Give your crypto wallet the protection it deserves. With a strong and unique password, you're building a fortress around your crypto wealth. Fourth tip for you, enable two-factor authentication. Now, you might ask, what's this two-factor authentication all about? It's a security measure that requires not only a password and username, but also something unique that only the user has on them, like a piece of information or a physical device. Imagine it as a double lock on your front door. You wouldn't feel safe with just one lock, would you? The same principle applies to your crypto wallet. The first lock is your password, and the second one is the unique piece of information or device, like a fingerprint or a special code sent to your mobile phone. This way, even if someone manages to crack your password, they still won't be able to access your wallet without this second factor. It's like having a guard dog in addition to your double lock, so don't hesitate. Double your security measures with two-factor authentication. Our fifth tip: always be wary of phishing attempts. Phishing, a malicious practice where fraudsters impersonate trusted entities, is a pervasive threat in the world of cryptocurrencies. These scams typically come in the form of emails or messages, attempting to trick you into revealing sensitive information, such as your password or private key. So how can you guard against phishing? First, always scrutinize any communication you receive. Check for telltale signs of a scam, like poor grammar, spelling errors, or a sense of urgency. Second, never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown sources. These could lead you to fake websites or install malware on your device. Moreover, remember that legitimate companies will never ask for your password or private key. If you're asked for these details, it's a red flag. And always double-check the URL of the site you're visiting. Scammers often create websites that look strikingly similar to legitimate ones. Remember, awareness is your best defense against phishing. Tip number 6, always back up your wallet. Now, when we talk about backing up your wallet, we're not talking about making a copy of your physical wallet and stashing it in a safe. No, we're talking about backing up the very keys that unlock your digital assets. Imagine this: you're not just securing a piece of leather. You're safeguarding the keys to your digital fortress. You see, in the realm of cryptocurrency, your wallet is your bank and the keys are your access. Lose them and you're locked out, potentially forever. That's why backing up your wallet is critical. It's your plan B, your safety net, your lifeline. It ensures that even if your device is lost, stolen, or fails, you can recover your assets. Think of your crypto backup as your digital safety deposit box. Just as you wouldn't leave your gold or valuables unprotected, don't leave your digital assets to chance. Your crypto backup is like an insurance policy for your digital assets. 7th tip, always use secure networks. When it comes to handling your cryptocurrencies, the type of network you're connected to can play a significant role. Public Wi-Fi networks like those found in cafes, hotels, or airports are notorious hotspots for cybercriminals. These networks are often unsecured, making it easier for hackers to intercept your data. Imagine this: you're sitting in a coffee shop, sipping your latte, and casually checking your crypto wallet. Unbeknownst to you, a cybercriminal is lurking on the same network, ready to snatch your sensitive information. Not a pleasant thought, is it? Therefore, it's crucial to always use a secure and private network when dealing with cryptocurrencies. If you must use a public network, consider using a reputable VPN service to encrypt your data and keep it safe from prying eyes. Remember, when it comes to your crypto wallet, every layer of security counts. Secure networks are the safe roads to your crypto journey. Tip 8, be careful with sharing information. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting and enthralling, but it's also a world that necessitates a high degree of caution, especially when it comes to sharing information. Whether we're talking about the details of your wallet or the specifics of a transaction, it's essential to exercise discernment. Firstly, never share your private keys or recovery phrases. These are the keys to your digital kingdom, and anyone with access can control your assets. Secondly, be mindful when discussing your transactions. Even seemingly harmless information like the amount of crypto you bought or sold can make you a target. This isn't just about hackers, but also about unwanted attention from prying eyes. Lastly, be wary of who you trust. Even people you know might not have your best interests at heart, especially when money is involved. Be selective about the information you share and with whom you share it. Remember, discretion is the better part of valor when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Scene script. Our ninth tip, regularly monitor your wallet. Now let's delve into the importance of frequent check-ins with your crypto wallet. It's like maintaining a garden. You wouldn't plant seeds and then forget about them, right? Similarly, your crypto wallet needs regular attention to ensure its security. Here's the thing, the digital world is fast-paced. Things change in the blink of an eye. Unauthorized transactions or suspicious changes might occur without your immediate knowledge. That's why you need to keep an eye on your wallet activities. Look for any transactions you don't recognize. Check if your balance matches your records. Think of it as your regular health checkup. Just as you wouldn't ignore a sudden change in your health, don't ignore sudden changes in your wallet. And remember, if you spot something fishy, take immediate action. Contact your wallet provider, report the issue, and protect your assets. Regular checks keep your wallet healthy and secure. And the last tip, but certainly not the least, educate yourself. In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, staying informed is your strongest line of defense. It's imperative to keep up to date with the latest security practices and understand how they apply to your crypto wallet. The crypto landscape is always shifting, and new threats can emerge at any time. By staying ahead of the curve, you can anticipate these potential risks and protect your assets accordingly. This includes being aware of the newest types of phishing attempts, understanding how to detect malicious software, and knowing the latest strategies for securing your digital assets. In addition, keeping abreast of updates in the crypto world can help you take advantage of new features that enhance the security of your wallet. Remember, the world of digital currency is a constantly evolving one, and staying educated is your best tool for navigating it successfully. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to securing your crypto wallet. So, what have we learned today? In the realm of cryptocurrency, securing your digital wallet is critical. We've traversed through 10 essential tips to make sure your crypto assets stay safe and sound. Let's take a moment to review what we've covered. Firstly, we discussed how using a hardware wallet can provide an extra layer of security. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your cryptocurrency offline, away from the prying eyes of potential hackers. Next, we emphasized the importance of keeping your software up to date. Regular updates often come with security enhancements that can protect you from new threats. Thirdly, we highlighted the need for strong and unique passwords. Simple and repetitive passwords are a hacker's delight. So, make sure your password is a tough nut to crack. Our fourth tip focused on enabling two-factor authentication. This extra step might seem like a hassle, but it can significantly increase your wallet's security. Then, we cautioned you to be wary of phishing attempts. Remember, legitimate companies will never ask for your personal information via email or text messages. Moving on, we stressed the necessity of backing up your wallet. This ensures that you can recover your assets even if your device is lost or stolen. Our seventh tip was about using secure networks. Public Wi-Fi may be convenient, but it's also a hotbed for hackers. It's best to conduct your crypto transactions on a secure, private network. Next, we advise being careful with sharing information. The less information you give away, the less likely you are to become a target. Our penultimate tip involved regularly monitoring your wallet. Keeping a close eye on your assets can help you spot any suspicious activity early on. Lastly, we underscore the importance of educating yourself. The more you know about cryptocurrency and its security aspects, the better equipped you'll be to protect your assets. Remember, the safety of your crypto wallet is in your hands. Stay safe, stay informed, and happy crypto investing.